Hi everyone, welcome back. About 3 years ago, I published a short video here. It got a lot of views, and you guys left so many comments asking how I did it. So I thought, why not make a proper video sharing my full story and, more importantly, clearing up your doubts on how to actually get published. So it all started back in October. I was going through a tough time and felt a bit lost. I had been very busy with exams, so I hadn't written in a while, but I realized I needed time to declutter my brain. Naturally, I turned back to my poetry. I decided to organize them into a PDF just for myself so I can go there and read them whenever I want. So then I started copying everything into my notes app. It was written on a page because before that I don't have a phone and wasn't used to write in a note app. At exactly that time I started using that though. And then I realized there's somewhat lost. I mean the poetries and also my some of the journals. While organized this mess, an idea hit me. Why not publish this as a real book? I mean I was already collecting them into a PDF, so I not turn into a book, right? So yeah, I didn't know the process like how I'm gonna do it, but I just know that I have to do it and knows that it would cost me a fortune to get published one. Like the way you go through a regular conservative route, it would cost you a lot money and also you have to get approved by a publishing house. And if I take that route, I have to spend a lot of money, and if I didn't sell any copies after that, it would be a very bad decision and bad investment. So I turn up to the internet and search about it on online, and then right now I discovered about a self-publishing, and literally I was so relieved to find out that I could do this with zero cost and no approval needed. Like I can just do a DIY with no money involved, with spending no money and get published. Wow, that's very good. And even if I don't sell any copy, I still have the experience and my book in my hand. I choose the Notion Press because they are popular and trusted in India. They have paid plans, but I wanted to do it the DIY way. If you are serious about your book and wanted a help, they can help you formatting books and other things. You just have to pay a amount. You can just see on the site. And so I go into the DIY way, and I did it all on my phone. I didn't have a laptop then. I still don't have, but I have to do it. I had made my mind, so I thought, why not do it? I downloaded Google Docs and Microsoft Word, imported the Notion Press template, and I started working. It was messy dealing with lags, formatting issue, and importing files on a small screen. You know that how things work on a mobile app, and I haven't had a good phone though, but enough to still enough for formatting a book. I keep doing it. It took me about 20 days to finalize the manuscript, adding the preface content and author space, but finally it was ready to just get published in just 20 days. And I was so happy doing that. So like the journey was cool. I enjoy it. Okay, This is the part many of you ask for. Let's slow down and talk about the exact technical process of publishing on Notion Press. Here is how we do it step by step. Okay, step 1, the setup. Go to the Notion Press website. I will give a link in the description. You can just click on that or copy that. It is basically my referral, so it would help me too and also good for you. So yeah, click on that link and you will redirect to the Notion Press website and then create a free account. Once you log in, click on a create a new book. It's on the dashboard, author's dashboard page. You will need to fill in your book details. This include titles and subtitles. Make sure the spelling is perfect because I mistakenly put the first letter wrong and it was just whole mess. So yeah, double check your title and subtitles. Then pick the category. I mean the genre. It's like poetry, fiction, non-fiction. What you want to. Then language, the language of your book. In which language you have written. Now they supports the regional language too, so you can check that there. The book size. This is crucial part. Common size are 5 into 8, which I also have done in that form that size. But you can select other format, and they also explain which format to choose for which type of a book. Please make sure to read it and decide what type of a book you are and how you want to do it and what would you like to get published in your book. Whatever size you pick here, your PDF must match this size. Step 3, ISBN assignment. Notion Press will ask if you have an ISBN. If you don't, just click get a free ISBN. This is the unique code that allows your book to be sold in stores and online. It is completely free, but they don't give you a copyright. Step 4, uploading the ingredient. This is where you upload the PDF of your story or poems. You can also use there. You can just upload your PDF. Just choice is yours. Make sure your margin are correct so text doesn't get cut off during printing. And this is very important. Keep the your letters words under the margin. Don't even publish your book and reject you. So better keep that in mind and avoid the rejection. Paper type. You will be asked to choose between cream or white paper. Cream usually looks better for fiction and poetry. White is better for textbook. And most of you are also going to choose for a fiction book, so choose the cream paper. You can read there and decide on yourself. Step 5, the cover. You have two options here. Use their cover creator. You can pick a layout and type your title. Upload your own. This is what I did. I used Pixar to design my cover and then uploaded it. You can also use Canva or other software which you know how to do it, or you can use their cover creator. The last step, pricing and distribution. Finally, you set in the price. The website has a calculator. It will show you the pricing cost and ask you to set the MRP. The difference is your royalty. You can, I mean, they will tell you to put the at least minimum amount. Okay, and then there you calculate how much your royalty get per book after putting the cost. So better check it and put the price according to that. After you completed it, after you saved it, then submit for the review. That's it. And in the big, your book will get published. You can buy from the Notion Press website, Amazon or Flipkart, anywhere. Now get back to my story. When I was about to submit the book and I already have completed my manuscript, but I was nervous. By that time I had read my book 20 times. I wasn't feeling that charisma that I was feeling first time writing those poetry and making this. So Then I found a YouTuber named Sovdas Gupta who makes videos about publishing. I messaged him on Instagram and surprisingly he replied. I sent him my file and he gave it thumbs up. But 2 days later I received a rejection email. I was depressed seeing that what how does that happen? But I read the image closely, it was just a cover issue. My tagline was too close to the edge. I fixed it, re-uploaded and it was approved. And I was so happy that it got approved and in the just week it will get published. Within a week. And actually within a week my book was live on Amazon and Flipkart. And it was ready to share with. So I did share with my friends, families, but and received the congratulation. It was happy time. I immediately ordered a copy. It took me 2 weeks to reach my city. On the delivery day, the guy called me in the evening saying he was late and needed a reschedule for tomorrow. He asked for an OTP to confirm the reschedule. I was so excited to get my book that I didn't think twice. I gave him the OTP. Yeah, it was big mistake. But what can we do now? I already gave him the OTP. So when I gave him OTP, after that I received a notification of delivered, and I was like, wait, isn't he told me that he gonna reschedule? Then why I received the message of the delivered? I panicked. I realized I have been scammed. I called him and he kept making excuse. Okay, I'm going to deliver it tomorrow. Don't worry, I will deliver it by the morning. And he kept making excuses, but actually never delivered. I raised complaint with the delivery partner. Even went to their office, but they were totally unhelpful. It was pathetic service experience. So pathetic. I would never, ever order through a delivery customer service. They are just scammers, full of scammers. Luckily, Notion Press support was great. They sent me a replacement copy by a different courier. It was through Shiprocket, I think. And I finally got my book. So yeah, at the last I got my book. That short video of the day when I received my book. To be honest, I only sold those 2 copies. I didn't have money for marketing and my friend didn't really buy it. Or any other known ones. They just congratulated me. But yeah, that was enough for me. And I also did for myself. So yeah, I got an experience book and nice. After 2 years in 2024, when I was going through a severe depression, I actually unpublished it. That's there it ended all my journey. After that, I didn't even write any poetry or any stories, anything. I just completely leave the writer blocks. But still, going back to there and saying all that, it all was worth it. It is now easier than ever to be a published author without the hassle of traditional gatekeepers. Whether you have laptop or phone, just do it. Get your work out there. If you're writing something, just collect them into Note app, download their template and just format it. It's easy and just get your book published. It's definitely worth it. You should do it right now. And also big thanks to the Subdas Gupta. You can check out his channel. He uploads information related to this. This can be helpful to learn you. But after all, watching video or listening to others and going to help you have to do it by yourself. When you do and learn, that is more effective. So just go do, and what problem comes, just search for it and you will learn more efficiently and better and actually be able to you will be able to do it. Okay, so that was my story and that was the process I told you. If you have any story sitting in your notes app, go publish it. Good luck. See you with next video. Thank you. Bye bye.